What's up, guys? Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to blend a photo to a background. Okay, so I have this PNG image imported, so you can see that this PNG image is on its own, but I want to um, apply certain edits or effect to it that will make it look as if it has been um, attached to the background. Okay, so that background will not be standing separate and image will not be standing separate. So without wasting my time, let's select our picture and start. So you go to the erase button. Alright, then you can see the erase button is having two tools here. I have one tool here, one another tool here. Now scroll the right one to the extreme end, then you can either increase the left or decrease it depending on how you want to do it. So I think this is okay. Now come down to the legs. Now I want to start from this side because this is where I want it to look blended to the background. Alright, so you can now clean the downside, the whole of the downside from it. Right, yes, make sure you do it well. You'll be having some leftovers there. Right, so you can now check and you can see reposition. You can see that it now looks as if the there is an effect on the guy or on the shirt of the guy, right? But there's no effect. It's just how we raise it. Okay, so let me make it look perfect. Right, so this is okay. Right, so this is how to do blend a photo to a background. If you consider this video useful, then consider subscribing to this channel, like, comment and share. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.